In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch view in Todoist. Being able to change the way you see your tasks is really important because different views can make it easier to plan your day, organize projects, or see what's coming up next. Todoist makes this very simple, but it helps to know exactly where to click and what each option does so you can get the most out of it. Let's start from inside Todoist, looking at any project or your task list. On the screen, look toward the top area where your project name or filter name appears. Nearby, you'll see an option labeled Display. This is the control that lets you switch how your tasks are presented. Go ahead and click on Display. When you do, a small menu will open. In this menu, you'll see the available views you can choose from: List, Board, and Calendar. These are the three main ways you can look at the same set of tasks, just organized differently. First, there's the list view. This is the classic Todoist layout, where tasks appear one after another in a vertical list. Use this when you want a straightforward overview of everything you need to do, especially if you like to work from top to bottom. It's great for simple to-do lists or when you just want to quickly scan your tasks. Next, there's the board view. When you select board, your tasks are arranged in columns similar to a Kanban board. Each column usually represents a stage like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or any custom sections you've created. This view is especially helpful for visual thinkers and for tracking the progress of tasks through different phases of a project. You can drag and drop tasks between columns, which makes it feel very hands-on and organized. Finally, there's the calendar view. Choose Calendar if you want to see your tasks laid out by date. This view is ideal when you're planning your week, checking deadlines, or making sure your workload is balanced across different days. It helps you spot busy days at a glance and move tasks to dates that work better for you. Anytime you want to switch again, just click Display and pick a different option. Try each view and see which one matches the way you like to work, and remember that you can change it as often as you need